Before we begin, take a second and subscribe to Daily English Dose. This channel is for people who want to speak English fluently in real life. Not book English, not classroom English, but daily life English. Today's lesson is very important. We're going to practice daily life English phrases that fluent speakers use every day, at home, at work, with friends, and in normal conversations. Listen carefully. Repeat later if you want. And remember, understanding comes before speaking. Let's start. In daily life, fluent speakers don't speak long sentences all the time. They use short, natural phrases. For example, instead of saying, "I do not understand what you are trying to say," they say, "I didn't get that." Instead of saying, "Please wait for a short period of time," they say, "Just a second." These small phrases make your English sound natural. Now let's practice morning and daily routine phrases. I just woke up. Repeat. I just woke up. I'm getting ready. Repeat. I'm getting ready. I'm running late. I'm running late. I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon. I need some time. These are very common phrases. You don't need difficult grammar. You just need the right phrase. Now, let's move to conversation starter phrases. When you want to start talking, you can say, "By the way, can I ask you something?" You know what? Guess what? These phrases help you enter a conversation smoothly. Now let's talk about agreeing and disagreeing politely. To agree, say, "Exactly." That's true. I feel the same. I agree with you. To disagree politely, say, "I'm not sure about that. I see your point, but I think differently." Notice something important. Fluent English is polite English. Now let's practice daily work and study phrases. I'm working on it. I'll get back to you. I need a break. I'm almost done. I'm a bit busy right now. These phrases save time and sound professional. Now, let's move to asking for help. You can say, "Can you help me with this? I need a hand. I'm not sure how to do this. Could you explain it again?" Never feel shy to ask for help. Fluent speakers ask questions. Now, let's talk about expressing feelings in daily life. I'm tired. I'm stressed out. I feel relaxed. I'm excited about it. I'm not in the mood. These phrases help people understand you better. Now let's practice making plans. Are you free today? Let's catch up. What time works for you? I'll let you know. Sounds good to me. Very simple. Very powerful. Now, let's talk about reacting naturally in conversation. Oh, really? That makes sense. No way. I see. Got it. These small reactions make conversations alive. Now, let's move to polite daily requests. Could you please? Would you mind? Can you do me a favor? Is it okay if I? Politeness improves fluency. Now, let's practice ending conversations naturally. I have to go now. Let's talk later. See you soon. Take care. Have a good day. Never end conversations suddenly. Use closing phrases. Now, let's talk about common daily mistakes. You don't need perfect grammar. You need clear meaning. Say, I'll call you later, not I calling you later. Say, I'm looking for this, not I looking this. Small corrections matter. Now let's do a short practice together. Listen and imagine you're speaking. I'm on my way. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Sorry for the delay. Thanks for waiting. Excellent. Remember something important. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is comfort. If you practice a few phrases every day, your confidence will grow naturally. Your comment activity today? Write one daily English phrase you want to start using from today. Subscribe to Daily English Dose for daily speaking practice and keep learning one step at a time. See you in the next lesson.